Guys, look how big this backyard is. Guys, look how big this backyard is. Hey guys, take a look at this spectacular listing in South Effingham. This home is loaded with upgrades from LVP flooring, spray foam insulation, and much more. This spacious master suite has a tray ceiling, double vanities with granite countertops, a deep soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. This updated kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and ample counter space for cooking and entertainment. Enjoy privacy and space in this huge backyard, which is perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Want to know more? Come see me at our open house this Saturday from 1 to 3 p.m.